Hello friends, today we will discuss the next topic, that is the applications of partial differentiation, in that the functional dependence. We know that the dependent and independent, correct? Here we have discussed the functional dependence. Okay, suppose आपके पास एक फंक्शन है u and another फंक्शन है v, और एक फंक्शन है x और another फंक्शन है y, then we have to check the given functions are dependent or not dependent. Okay, तो functional dependent क्या जाएगा? If we get the relationship between these two. Okay, relationship between these two variables, suppose u and v. Okay, suppose u is one variable and also the v is another, then we have to find the relationship between these two kab if function is dependent. Okay, otherwise we don't get any relationship between them. Okay, so first we will discuss the definition of functionally dependent. Okay, or dependent or dependence. Let u is function of x comma y. Let u is function of x comma y and v is also function of x comma y. Okay, u is function of x comma y and v is function of x comma y. Be any two functions, then u comma v, then u comma v are said to be functionally dependent if there exists a functional relation between them. Functional relation between them, then u comma v are called functional or functionally dependent, are called functionally dependent. Okay, dependent or dependent, both are same. Suppose u is one variable and v is another. Okay, u is function of x and y, v is function of also x and y. Then we have to say that u and v are functionally dependent. Kab? If we get any relationship between them, at that time these two are functionally dependent. Otherwise, these two are not functionally dependent. Okay. Now we will see some remark on this. Suppose remark first. If u and v are functions of, or if u and v are functions of xyz, then u and v are functionally dependence if these two are functionally dependent if Jacobian of uv with respect to Jacobian of xy is equal to Jacobian of uv with respect to Jacobian of xz is equal to Jacobian this uv with respect to yz is equal to क्या आना चाहिए 0. Okay, this is 0, उसकी वैल्यू क्या आना चाहिए 0. Then and then this u and v are functionally dependent or dependence. Okay, now second remark, if uv are or uvw are, कौन सा ले लो, if uvw are functions of xyz, UVW are functions of XYZ, and they are, and UVW are functionally dependent if क्या जाएगा, दे आर फंक्शनली डिपेंडेंट और डिपेंडेंस कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इफ जैकोबियन डो UVW विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू डो XYZ, उसकी वैल्यू क्या आना चाहिए, 0. ओके, जैकोबियन इज 0 at that time, we have to say that the given functions are dependent, otherwise they are independent. Okay, if Jacobian is not equal to 0, then we have to call given function are functionally independent. Okay, and if Jacobian is 0, then we have to call given functions are functionally dependent. Okay, now we will discuss some examples on this topic. Examples on this topic. Example first, examine whether UVW are or following functions, I will write just like this, following functions are functionally dependent if dependent, find a relationship between them. If dependent, find relation between them. Okay, suppose this is your common question. I will take example first, second, third, just like this. First, if EV is equal to x plus y plus z, comma v is equal to x square plus y square plus z square and w is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, now look on the board. This is your example first. U, V and W. Okay, answer. Here U, V, W. Here U is x plus y plus z. V is equal to x square plus y square plus z square and W is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Correct. Here UVW are functions of xyz. Correct. Here UVW are functions of x, y, z. Okay, therefore we have to find Jacobian by using a direct method. No need to find or write in the form of function, because here UVW are directly in x, y, z. Okay, we have to find dou UVW with respect to dou x, y, z. Okay, by using simple formula. तो क्या जाएगा, u का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x, that is dou u by dou x, then dou u by dou y, then dou u बाय डो जेड, करेक्ट. देन सेम v का डो v बाय डो x, डो v बाय डो y एंड डो v बाय डो जेड. देन सेम w का डो w बाय डो x, डो w बाय डो y, dou w by dou z. Okay, now find all these partial derivatives. We get, I will write here, dou u v w with respect to dou x y z is equal to determinant. Now u का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स वाई जेड क्या जाएगा, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स वन, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई वन, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू जेड वन. दिस इज 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. देन सेम v का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x y z, तो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x क्या जाएगा 2x, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y क्या जाएगा 2y, एंड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू z क्या जाएगा 2z. करेक्ट. नाउ w का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा y, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा z, तो क्या जाएगा y प्लस z. देन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y क्या जाएगा x प्लस z, एंड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू z क्या जाएगा y प्लस x. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ दिस. ओके, टेक 2 कॉमन फ्रॉम सेकंड रो एंड add third row as, or take 2 outside. R2 and R3 is replaced by R3 plus R2. Okay, take 2 common, then we get this is 2 times क्या जाएगा first row as it is, no change in first row. Second row x y z, and third row यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा x plus y plus z, यहाँ पे x plus y plus z, यहाँ पे x plus y plus z. Okay. Now take third row common, we get 2 in bracket x plus y plus z. Take third row common, क्या जाएगा 1 1 1 x y z 1 1 1. Correct. Take third row common, that is x y z. Now here first row and third row is same. First row and third row is same. तो determinant क्या जाएगा? If any 2 rows are same or identical, then determinant is 0. We get 0 into this. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. तो आपके पास क्या आ गया? This dou u v w. This implies dou u v w with respect to dou x y z is equal to क्या गया 0 is equal to 0. This implies that u v w, this is 0, and this concluded that, or this implies that u v w are functionally dependent. U v w are functionally dependent. First we have to find this Jacobian. If this Jacobian is 0, at that time we will call the given UVW are functionally dependent, and this Jacobian is not is equal to 0, at that time they are not functionally dependent. उसका meaning क्या है? They are functionally independent. Okay, here is your first part. Now in question, dependent, if dependent, then find the relation. Okay, find the relation between them. Here we have to find the relation between UVW. Okay, now this is half part. Now half part I will write here. The relation is observe the values of UVW. This is U, this is V and this is W. यहाँ पे क्या है? स्क्वायर है. यहाँ पे क्या है? अल्टरनेट मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है. ओके, सपोज वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस W बाई 2, तो क्या जाएगा 2W इज इक्वल टू 2xy प्लस 2yz plus 2zx and the square of v. Therefore u स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू ब्रैकेट स्क्वेयर आएगा, क्या जाएगा ब्रैकेट स्क्वेयर x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड ब्रैकेट स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू क्या जाएगा एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस वाई स्क्वेयर प्लस जेड स्क्वेयर जस्ट लाइक द ब्रैकेट स्क्वेयर. ओके, a plus b plus c bracket square, then 2 times xy plus 2 times yz plus 2 times zx, 2 times zx, 2 times zx. Now we get this is the value of phi and this is the value of 2w, correct? This is value of 2w and this is equal to v square, sorry u square. So this is the relationship between uv and w. We get the relation between uv and w and this relation is okay relation u square is equal to phi plus 2w. Okay, so this is your first question on the functionally dependent. Okay, now we will discuss the next questions on the same topic. Example second question is same. Examine whether the following function is functional dependent. If dependent, then find the relation between them. Okay, second is u is equal to x plus y divided by 1 minus xy comma v is equal to tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Okay, now we will check they are dependent or independent. तो क्या जाएगा आंसर here u is equal to x plus y divided by 1 minus xy and v is equal to tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Okay, therefore we have to find the partial derivatives of uv, that is Jacobian of uv with respect to x and y. Here u comma v are functions of x comma y. Okay, u comma v are functions of x x comma y, they are given. Therefore dou uv with respect to dou x comma y. Okay, तो क्या जाएगा this is u का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x, u का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to y, v का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x and v का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to y. Okay, now find dou u by dou x, u का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x, u का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x, same u का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to y, then same v का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x and v का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to y. Okay, now I will find this value separately because here differentiation, suppose this is your equation a, this is your equation a. Now dou u by dou x क्या करना पड़ेगा, u का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x, use the u by v rule, क्या जाएगा this is v, this is u. Okay, तो क्या जाएगा 1 minus x y. Okay, then u का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x क्या मिलेगा 1 minus x plus y, then उसका डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x 1 minus x y क्या मिलेगा डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x minus y, 1 का 0, x minus y का with respect to x this is minus y whole divided by 1 minus xy bracket square. Okay, now simplify this. This is 1 minus xy, then this minus minus plus, correct, minus minus plus, तो क्या जाएगा xy लास्ट में क्या जाएगा प्लस y स्क्वायर होल डिवाइडेड बाय 1 minus xy bracket square. Okay, and this is xy get cancel, क्या बचेगा 1 plus y square whole divided by 1 minus xy bracket square. Okay, this is dou u by dou x, Now similarly we have to find dou u by dou y. Similarly dou u by dou y. Okay, dou u by dou y, तो क्या जाएगा same rule, we have to use the same rule, u by v rule. तो फर्स्ट क्या जाएगा v as it is 1 minus xy as it is, 1 minus xy as it is into derivative of this with respect to y क्या जाएगा 1, no need to write, minus x plus y as it is into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y क्या जाएगा माइनस x, दिस इज माइनस x होल डिवाइडेड बाय 1 minus xy bracket square. Okay, 1 minus xy bracket square. Okay, now similarly we have to find dou v by dou x, also dou v by dou y, also dou v by dou x. Here v is tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y. तो tan inverse of x क्या जाएगा, this is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and dou v by dou y, dou v by dou y क्या जाएगा, dou v by dou y, this is 1 upon 1 plus y square, 1 upon 1 plus y square. Now put all these values in equation A. Equation A becomes dou uv with respect to dou xy, dou uv with respect to dou xy is equal to determinant, the value of ux, this is 1 plus y square divided by this 1 plus y square divided by 1 minus xy. Okay, ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल सिंप्लीफाई दिस, सॉरी यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफिकेशन थोड़ा सा बाकी है, तो क्या जाएगा 1 माइनस एक्स वाई. ओके, देन माइनस माइनस क्या जाएगा प्लस, माइनस माइनस क्या जाएगा प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स वाई डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस एक्स वाई ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. ओके, आई विल राइट दिस हियर. ओ क्या जाएगा, दिस इज xy get cancel, this is 1 plus x square, this is 1 plus x square divided by 1 minus xy bracket square. Okay, now put all these values. First ux, u का डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x यहाँ पे फाइंड किया है 1 plus y square divided by 1 minus xy bracket square. Okay, now dou u by dou y यहाँ पे फाइंड किया है, वो क्या है 1 plus x square whole divided by 1 minus xy bracket square. Okay, then same phi का differentiation with respect to x, this is 1 upon 1 plus x square, this is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and phi का derivative with respect to y, this is 1 upon 1 plus y square, 1 upon 1 plus y square. Okay, now from this take 1 upon 1 minus x ओके 1 upon 1 minus xy ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर आउटसाइड, तो क्या जाएगा 1 upon 1 minus xy ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर आउटसाइड. क्या बचेगा डिटर्मिनेंट, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 1 plus y स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे 1 plus x स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे 1 plus x स्क्वायर, एंड यहाँ पे 1 plus y स्क्वायर. करेक्ट, 1 upon. Okay, this is 1 upon 1 plus x square, this is 1 upon 1 plus y square. Okay, now solve this, we get this is in bracket 1 upon 1 minus xy bracket square. क्या बचेगा, दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1, दिस टू का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1, दिस इज 1 minus 1 0, we get the Jacobian 0. करेक्ट, तो दिस implies okay, दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, तो दिस implies dou uv with respect to dou xy is equal to क्या गया 0, is equal to 0, and this implies that this Jacobian is 0 is nothing but u and v are functionally dependent. This implies u and v are functionally dependent. Then we have to find the relationship between them. Okay, we have to find the relationship between them. तो क्या जाएगा relationship, I will draw this first. Okay, first target is complete. Now second target, we have to find a relationship between them. Okay, relationship between them, तो क्या जाएगा, for a relation here V is given here V is equal to tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. ओके तो क्या जाएगा V इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स. एक फार्मूला हुआ था 11th में, क्या आता है, दोनों का एडिशन डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. करेक्ट. बीच में साइन क्या है, पॉजिटिव, तो यहाँ पे साइन पॉजिटिव. ओके एक्स वाई का. देन V इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स, बट दिस इज योर वैल्यू ऑफ u, दिस इज वैल्यू ऑफ u, और दिस इम्प्लाइज दिस गोज टू दिस साइड, तो क्या जाएगा tan ऑफ V is equal to u. This is your relation. This is your relation between u and v. That is u is equal to tan v or v is equal to tan inverse u. Both are same. This is your relation. Okay. So also we will discuss some more examples. This is your example second. I will give 2-3 homework for you. Example 3. If u is equal to y plus z, comma v is equal to x plus 2z square and w is equal to x minus 4yz minus 2y square. Okay, try to solve at home. Also example 4, I will give one more example. U is equal to sin inverse x plus sin inverse y sin inverse x plus sin inverse y and v is equal to y in bracket और x in कैसा ब्रेक दिया तो भी चलेगा, x in bracket 1 minus y square plus y in bracket 1 minus x square. Okay, v is x in bracket 1 minus y square and plus y in bracket 1 minus x square. Also one more example, example 5. U is equal to sin x plus sin y and v is equal to sin x plus y. Okay, try to solve all this example at home. Okay, second, third and fourth, check the given functions are dependent or independent. If dependent, that is Jacobian 0, then find the relationship between them, and if they are independent, that is Jacobian is not is equal to 0, at that time no need to find the relation between them. Okay.